So painting water at the best of times is quite difficult, but managing that part between the shallow water and the dry sand can sometimes be a bit tricky. So we're going to look at a little recipe that will sort of get that moving in the right direction. Nice simple recipes. What I've done now is I've mixed ultramarine blue and white together, and that is the colour of the sky close to the horizon. I'm just going to blend those two together, and that in theory should look like shiny wet sand. So now I'm doing one of my favourite recipes, which is dioxazine purple, cadmium yellow medium and white, and that creates the illusion of sand that's damp but not perfectly dry and not perfectly wet, sort of in that mid area. That colour will change depending on the sand, depending on where you are in the world, but that colour, you'll be surprised how versatile it is. So I've added a little bit of white to that, and I'm just going to make another band here underneath, and that softens that transition from damp sand into damper sand. Okay, so I added some white and a touch of cadmium yellow medium. So I've cleaned my brush here, and I've just got white, almost pure white here. There's probably a little bit of water in there from the brush, but that pure white now creates the illusion of that lovely coral tropical sand, and it's a nice easy recipe to remember.